This is a custom laser engraved wooden puzzle, made from a single photo cut to shape and ready to put together. Let me show you exactly how it was made. Head to ImagR in the main menu and select Easy Mode. Upload the photo you want to turn into a puzzle. First, we can crop the image in Easy Mode. I remove a little of the empty space around the edges since I only need the subject itself. Once the crop is done, select your material. I am using wood. I change my measurement unit to millimeters and set the width to 220. The height adjusts automatically to keep the right proportions. For my CO2 laser with a compound lens, I am using 318 dpi. Click Prepare Image and ImagR handles everything in just a few moments. And here is our perfectly processed image for the engraving. As you can clearly see, all details are present, shadows are perfectly optimized, and there are no areas that are too dark. I download the image as a PNG. To turn this into a puzzle, I head to Toolset in the top menu. In the search field, I type Puzzle and click on the Puzzle feature. Once it is opened, I upload the processed image. Here we can set how many pieces the puzzle should have. I am going with 20. We can also change the size of the connectors and the shape of the pieces. The seed slider lets us change the orientation of the connectors, which is useful for making sure no connector lands right on an eye or another important detail. Once we are happy with the puzzle layout, click Download SVG and the download starts automatically. Now import the processed image and the SVG into your laser software. For engraving, I am using 120 millimeters per second, 15% maximum power, and 1% minimum power on my 80-watt CO2. Make sure Passthrough is enabled. The image has already been processed, and we do not want lightburn changing it again. For the cut, I am using 15 millimeters per second, 25% maximum power, and 20% minimum power. That is all there is to it in lightburn. Now we can start. I am engraving on 3mm birch plywood, held flat with magnets. Once the engraving is finished, I use a soft brush to remove any dust and residue from the process. And here is our finished beautiful wooden puzzle, a real eye-catcher created in just a few minutes. Create your own free puzzle today at imag-r.com.